Today I'm going to be doing a at-home rave look. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Bree or Breanna. Today I'm going to be doing a little at-home rave look because I really miss going to festivals, and the only thing that brings me joy is putting on cosplay, rave play, and having fun with my makeup, because even at work now I wear a big mask over my face and I can't really do my makeup anymore. I literally just do my eyebrows, maybe put on mascara. So I just want to have fun playing with my makeup and being creative, and I hope that you guys enjoy the ride along with me. So let's do it. First things first is I've already pulled out the look that I want to put together, and that really is part of the fun. I have now collected quite a few pieces of rave wear, so I'm getting to play with what I want to piece together. And so for this look, I've pieced together some Lolita Couture on the top with some Wanderin' Days bottoms, but they are not open anymore, unfortunately, and a little Lolita Couture. I think I'm gonna add my little skirt that ties together with it. And remember, if you shop Lolita Couture, that you can use code BRELALA to save 15% at checkout. Another key part of my rave looks is always pairing it with some kind of cute accessory at the top. Right now I'm going to use my Critter Clips. Again, you can use code BRELALA at Critter Clips as well, and you can save 15% at checkout. And also, I love to wear tights with my rave looks. Yes, I love my body and every inch of myself, but I love to keep everything kind of sucked in together with a pair of suntan tights that match my skin tone so that I can feel really comfortable and extra confident in my pictures, and so everything kind of stays together and I don't have to worry about anything showing, because some of these bottoms can be a little revealing, so we want to make sure we're keeping everything tight and inside and in place. And lastly, I'm going to be wearing my little garters that I got from my friend Chelsea at Shop Majestic. She made them just for me, perfect for my leg and my measurements. Yes, you plus size girls too, big thick legs, we can wear garters too. So make sure you look at Shop Majestic. I love her stuff, and it's so pretty and it's so cool that these are just made for me. And I'm also going to wear my Rave Pencils clip-in hair extensions on top of my wig, and these ones are in Galaxy Girl. And now on to the makeup. I start any rave look just like any other look that I would do for every day. So I'm gonna do my base first, an eyeshadow look, and then the best part is getting to add those fun accessories like a wig and jewels and gems and my own Base Garden Community glitters to make your look shine. So let's go ahead and start on the look. guys. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. And now for this next part, I'm gonna, oh, hello, focus, hi, it's me. I'm going to show you guys my base garden community glitters that I make myself with my little feature company / boutique page now, with me and my friend Laura and my boyfriend Chris, and I make these beautiful glitters. So some of these are actually in the base garden packaging, like these little ones. When I make a batch, the stuff that's left over, I just put in these for me because I don't need the real packaging, and I kind of give myself the ones that I mess up on, like the stickers like not centered on this one, so I gave it to myself. These are my glitters. We have 5 right now. And why won't this focus on me? Hi. There we go. So we have 5 right now, and I think I'm going to be using, for this look, I'm wearing purple and kind of like a blue, so I might go in with Emerald Pools, which is our green and blue glitter mixed with a little bit of Parties Here, which is my favorite. So they all kind of have a special name too. We have Empower Puff, which is our kind of take on unicorn glitter with silvers and pinks, and it's really pretty and it looks great on any skin tone. That was really my goal too, is that I didn't want these to wash out anyone. I wanted them to shine on every skin tone. We also have a gold one called Big Butter, which is my best friend Kaylee's nickname. It's named after her also because she has beautiful blonde golden hair. So it also has a little bit of green flakes in there too. And we have Strawberry Fields, which is the one that I wore in my last look that I did, the last photo shoot. Love Strawberry Fields, obviously named after a Beatles song. It is just this beautiful, I want it to look like strawberry jam. It's just, love it. And the 2 that I'm going to be wearing, which is Parties Here, which is named after Snooki and Dina from Jersey Shore. Parties Here ×2.
Parties here ×2. Party 2. Hello, parties here.
I love Jersey Shore, and I wanted this one to be kind of like a Mardi Gras, like a fun, like all kinds of purples and pinks all together. And then we have Emerald Pools, which is named after the song 10,000 Emerald Pools by Borns. And yeah, so I'm gonna mix those 2 together. These are ready to wear glitters. They're made with biodegradable glitter, so they are made out of plant cellulose instead of plastic. So they are not bad for the environment. That was a big thing for me. When I first announced that we were going to make glitters, I had a couple people ask, are they biodegradable? And I was like, crap, no, they're not. So I need to do something about this. So I decided to make them biodegradable because we don't want to harm the earth. When you wash them off, put them down the drain, you don't have to feel guilty about that. And when you wear them at festivals, if you wash them off at your campsite, you don't have to feel bad about it going into the dirt. So that's really, really important to me with my glitters, is that you don't have to feel guilty about wearing them. Also, they're ready to wear, so it's not loose glitter. It is mixed with an aloe-based mix and some other secret ingredients. You'll never know the Krabby Patty secret formula.
A cup of love! Don't do it! Mixed together with the most important ingredient of all, 4 heaping pounds of freshly ground plankton? I warned you!
They're made with sensitive skin in mind. As I said earlier, I do have really dry skin. I have eczema, and some other glitters that I've used have irritated me, rashed me out. I guarantee that these will not make you rash out. They are very comfortable to wear. They're smooth, they're silky. So let's stop talking about them and let me show you how I wear them. So I'm gonna go in first with Emerald Pools. And I think I've showed you guys this before. I don't have my acrylics right now, so sorry, I got nubby fingers. I'm gonna get some tomorrow. So I go into Emerald Pools. You do not need a lot. We have 3-gram pots and 5-gram pots. This is our 3-gram pot. I probably actually took too much just now. I like to put them where I put my highlight, but you can wear them however you want. I've seen some really cool patterns from you guys lately. I've seen some rectangular patterns. I've seen across the nose. Oh, you guys are doing amazing looks with these, and that is probably the coolest part, is like seeing people use my product and use it in a very creative way. So as you can see, I still have some left over. That is how it's looking so far. I'm also gonna dab a little bit the excess on this side because I want it to spread out. And like I said, I'm gonna wear it right where my highlight would be, just to kind of enhance the cheeks. Now it's time to go in with a little bit of Parties Here, which I'm gonna use more of this because it's more of a purple look. I'm just going to put it, oh yes, that's what we wanted. And you know what? I'm having fun. So I'm gonna do a triangle. And that's what I want. Kind of like a boomerang. I'm gonna do the other side. And as you can see, I am taking just the tiniest little bit. I say, we spread, baby. That's what I write on the thing. We spread, baby. You don't have to use a ton. I want you to get your money's worth. That was another important part to me, to provide affordable ravewear products. As most of you know, if you're in the ravewear scene, stuff can get pretty pricey. And yes, biodegradable glitter is a little bit more expensive for me to purchase to make these, but I think it's worth it. And I want you guys to be able to shine and sparkle without hurting your pocket too much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, this is just what I wanted. Oh my god, guys, I'm like this. Wow. Like, I just think it's so pretty. Oh my god, it really came together. Okay, so last step before we get the wig and the look together, add a little bit of gloss. This is NYX gloss with a little bit of sparkle in it. Boom. There we go. Let's add the wig. This is the new, I called it my unicorn wig. It is a pastel multicolored wig that I got from Amazon. The lashes get caught to the wig. I'll warn you about that. So for festivals, I typically won't wear a wig. I'll wear a clip-on ponytail that I actually dye myself. I order them blonde and then I put different colors on it. I think I'm going to do a video on that, on how I do it. I'm really hoping festivals come back next year. You guys can maybe try out dyeing your own little hair pieces. But I do the clip-on ponytail just because it's a little bit easier than gluing a wig to my head for festivals, because I headbang really hard and I know the ponytails won't fall out and I don't really have to worry about them. And plus, like I said, like this is getting stuck to my lashes. Now I'm going to do the critter clips, which, as I've said before, critter clips just pull your whole outfit together. They really just make your look more magical and more like, I don't know, it just like brings it all together. Oh, and those match the wig really well. I just love them. They're easy to clip on, even with your wig. Now let's put on the ravewear. So this is our finished look. Oh, and I didn't show you guys that I actually clipped in my Rave pencils as well, which match this wig like perfectly. And I think they make it all come together. Like, wow. Okay. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me do this at-home rave look. Of course, like I said, I probably wouldn't go this all out at a festival, especially a camping festival, but it's fun to do it now and be creative and have fun. And like I've said before, ravewear just really makes me feel confident and beautiful and magical, and that's why I do it. Oh, and I ended up moving the rhinestones to my eyebrow because I just couldn't open my eye. So, well, I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this look. If you want more content like this, please let me know. I am down to keep showing you looks, get ready with me, trying my glitters, whatever you like. And like I've said before, continue to use your voice, make sure that you're registered to vote in your state, and do whatever makes you happy right now, whatever can get you through these unprecedented times. Just be yourself and try to make yourself happy with the little things right now. I love you guys, and thanks for watching.